Welcome to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is nachos with chorizo, peppers and chilies. As normal, a full list of the ingredients can be found in the description box below. In my opinion, this dish is best served with a cold beer watching the sun go down. And for my wife, it's probably best served drinking a Diet Coke watching me dig the garden, but that ain't happening. Okay, let's start by putting a thin layer of corn chips in the bottom of a suitably sized oven-proof dish. Then in any order you like, alternate the layers of the other ingredients one at a time, but make sure the last layer is cheese. Then repeat the layers until the bowls are well stacked. And if you want this done quicker, just tell your wife her favourite TV programme just started. If you notice, we just put jalapeno chillies on half of each dish. As if someone doesn't want the chillies, they can pick at the other half. Why somebody wouldn't want the chillies, I couldn't quite tell you. Then it's off to 180°C oven for 15 minutes. Hope you like this tasty recipe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon sometime. Bye for now. No, I don't fancy doing some work in the garden, thank you.